Have you guys been using the Character AI app and wondering on how to turn off the voice on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off voice in the Character AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Character AI app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now to turn off the voice, you need to open a chat. Now tap onto the Explore button right here. Now tap on it. Then tap onto one of these chats just like this. Now here you can see the voice has been on just right here. Now to turn off, simply tap onto this button right here just like this. And now you can see the voice is muted. And that's it. This is how you can turn off the voice in the Character AI app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.